In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon on Clickfunnels 2.0. The favicon is that tiny icon that appears in the browser tab next to your page title. It might seem like a small detail, but it makes your funnel look more professional and helps your brand stand out when visitors have multiple tabs open. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in your Clickfunnels 2.0 account and how to upload and save your favicon so it displays correctly. First, log into your Clickfunnels 2.0 account and head over to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation menu. From this menu, click on Funnels. This will open your funnels dashboard where you can see a list of all the funnels you've created. Next, find the specific funnel where you want to change the favicon. On the right side of that funnel's name, you'll see a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Go ahead and click that. This is important. You must open the settings from the funnels dashboard itself. If you're inside the funnel workflow editor and you click settings there, the favicon option will not show up. So make sure you are editing the settings from the main funnels list. Once you're in the funnel settings, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Branding, Custom Code, and Funnel Appearance. In that area, look for the option called Favicon Image. This is where you'll upload the icon that will appear in the browser tab. Click on Select Image. A file manager or upload window will appear, allowing you to choose an image from your computer or your existing media library. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop your favicon file directly into the upload box, which can be a bit faster. For best results, use an image that's either 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels. These are the standard favicon sizes and will ensure your icon looks crisp and clear in most browsers. If the image is much larger, it may not scale down as cleanly. After your favicon has been uploaded and selected, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Update Funnel. This saves your changes and applies the new favicon to that funnel. Give your browser a quick refresh, and you should see your new icon appear in the tab.